Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. Today you will see in this video. Lovely viewer will see in this video's modern and stylish, unique garden decorations, ideas, landscaping designs. Today you will see in this video's modern, attractive and stylish modern landscaping ideas, garden decoration designs. So subscribe my YouTube channel. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. अभी मैंने सारे ब्राउन करवा दिए हैं. So guys, black अच्छी लगती है brown. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of my videos. मेरी ये कटिंग हुई थी, अच्छी लगती है या नहीं? I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Attractive and trending modern garden decorations, ideas, landscaping designs. So thank you so much guys for visiting my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel and watch my videos. These were my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video till the end. Top addictive and trending stylish, unique home decorations, ideas, landscaping designs, purple stones, ideas. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to keep your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish and attractive landscaping ideas. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to keep your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish and trending landscaping ideas. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. These were my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video till the end. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video till the end. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video till the end. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. So thank you so much guys for visiting my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel and watch my videos. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. I will